In the last session, we have discussed how we can able to create a table, how we can able to insert the data into the table, how we can able to um, access the data, the complete data or few columns of data from the table we have discussed, and how we can able to add a column we have discussed. After adding a column into that specific column, how we can able to add the data, even that we have discussed. From there we'll continue now. I want to enter into that particular database. I didn't remember what is the database I have given yesterday in the previous session. So I have given this two databases. I think we have worked with Raju DB. Okay, so I no need to create the database again. So use Raju DB. Database is changed to tables. I think we have created only one table, that is employee. So we are going to be get that particular one. If I'm seeing this select star from employee, we are going to be get this data. We are going to be get this particular data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of data we are getting. Now, I would like to add one more column. I would like to add one more column. That is the state. Let me consider. Add. See, if you observe in the last session, we have created the salary column with the decimal 6, 2. With the decimal 6, 2. Decimal is a data type. 6, 2 innocence. Total, it should accept 6 digits. After the decimal, 2 digits it should occupy. So, but with the data what we have entered, it is not accepted. We got the error. So later I have modified it. And I have given the salary decimal 8, 2. Total of 8 digits. After the decimal point, 2 digits. So now I would like to add one more column called as a state. Alter table employee alter table employee add state varchar of 30. So no need to give every time 30. More than that also can give, or less than that also can give. Depends on your requirement. Now, if you see description of the table employee, we have the state of varchar 30. Now, I would like to change the data type of state as char. I would like to change the data type of state as char. So alter table employee modify alter table employee modify state new data type. Instead of giving char, I would like to take as instead of taking varchar, I would like to take it as a char. Okay, see, char is used to store only alphabets. Varchar is used to store alphanumerical values. Varchar is used to store alphanumerical values. And one more difference between char and varchar is char is used to see, first it is going to be fixed the size 30. If I'm given the size innocence, 30 character space it is going to be reserved. 30 character space it will reserve. What are the things we are performing? Whether it is the content is 20 characters or 10 characters, the remaining space will be wasted if it is a char. The unused space will not be used for some other purpose internally. The unused space will not be used for some purpose internally. Whereas here, if you see varchar, if I'm given the size is 30, less than that size, if I'm using, the unused space will be used for some other purpose. The unused space will be used for some other purpose. Alter table, table name, modify, state char where char 30 we have given. Here we are getting 5 records are there, 5 rows affected. If I'm seeing the structure of a table, state char of 30, state char of 30. So here, if you see for state, we have var of 30. And if you see here, we have char of 30. Char of 30. See, I didn't entered any value in it now. See, if you observe here, this is a new column we have created. This is a new column we have created. Because of that, it does not have any data previously. It is going to be create the column and it will store all null values in it. For the existing column, if the no data available, then only we can able to modify the data. If any data is available, we should not, if any data is available, based on the data, if you are changing the data type, it should be suitable or not. It is going to be think that and it is going to be modified. See, I would like to convert this salary column into decimal 4,2. Already we have the data in the salary column and I would like to convert that into some other content like a decimal 8,2 we have. If you observe here, decimal 8,2 we have. Decimal 8,2 we have. Now I want to make it as decimal 6,2. I want to make it as decimal 6,2. Alter table.
Employee.
Alter table employee. Modify. And we will be having salary column decimal 6,2. We need to get error over there. Yeah. Out of range value. We are getting there. Previously, if you observe in yesterday's session, we got the different error. See here, error 1264, out of range value for column salary at row 1 we are getting. It is not going to be accept with that. So same, if I would like to convert into integer, it has been affected. See here, after the decimal point, we don't have 0.23 and all. Or it means after the decimal point, there is no digits. Because of that, it can be converted into integer. So this is the data we have. See, previously salary column we have decimal 6,2. We have decimal 8,2. Now we try to modify that data type as decimal comma 2. It is not accepted because the range of data is not suitable with that particular data type or that particular restriction. Now I have converted that into integer. It is allowing to convert into integer, right? It will not convert. If any digits after the decimal point are there other than 0, it will not convert into integer there. Okay. Now see, we don't have state value. Select star from employee. We have null here, we have null here, null, null, null. Okay. Now I would like to give the employee who is working in Bangalore state as Karnataka. For employee, update, table name, set, it is Karnataka. State is Karnataka. Where employee ID is 10 102. One row is affected. If you see that, let's start from employee. So, oh, sorry. We can give directly as location equal to Bangalore. 3 rows match, 3 rows affected. See, select star from. So here for Chennai also Karnataka we got that. That is my mistake there. I have, instead of taking 101 employee ID, I have taken as employee ID as 102. So because of that we got this. So we'll change it. Where state need to get as Tamil Nadu. If location is
Chennai.
select star from employee. This is a thing. In Chennai place, we got the state as Tamil Nadu. And we have Hyderabad. See, in the place of Hyderabad, we need to get it as Telangana. See,
Telangana state.
location, Telangana. Okay. See, select star from employee. Hyderabad.
Location is Hyderabad, right, sir?
Yeah, sorry.
You said state the Hyderabad, sir.
Because of that only, it is not matched with any of the value. Yeah. If you see, let's start from employee. We are getting all this particular data. See, whoever is in Bangalore, I have given the state as Karnataka. Whoever is in Chennai, I have given the state as Tamil Nadu. Whoever I have Hyderabad, I have given the name as Telangana. See now what it is going to be happening. It will take, it is a case sensitive. Okay. No, data is case sensitive. SQL query we can write in any case of letters. That is case sensitive. See here, this is a complete data we have in a table employee. Now I would like to remove a column called as state. Remove a column called as state. How we can able to remove the column as state? Only state column. Alter table employee drop, alter table employee drop state column. Yeah. Okay. 0 rows affected. 0 rows affected in this, it is saying in terms of records. That is a column. We'll see. Describe employee. There is no state column. We have only 4 columns, that is employee ID, employee name, location, salary. Employee ID, employee name, location, salary. Right? Now, select star from employee. Select star from employee. Where we are getting this data. See, here also we don't have salary. Any doubt?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can we display only one row, sir?
Only one row.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, which row you want me to display?
Any row, sir.
Select complete row. You want to display, select start from employee, where employee ID is equals to 102. Where condition we have to write for displaying the particular row. I want to display more than I want to display the details of the employee 102 and as well as 104. And operator we can able to use this. And operator we can able to use this. So just a minute. See, these are the relational operators. For writing the condition, we are using the relational operators, which will give the result in terms of true or false. Whenever we are using these operators, finally, it is going to be give the result in terms of true or false, that is Boolean values. Boolean values. So equals to, not equals to. Equals to. If it is matching, if left side of the equal to operator and right side of the equal to operator, if the value is same, if it is matching, then it is going to be written true, or otherwise it is going to be written false. So if not matching, it will return true, otherwise it is going to be written false. If the content which is there at the left side of less than operator will be considered as um, if we have left side of less than operator is smaller when compared to the right side value, it is going to be written true, otherwise false. Whereas coming to this greater than, the right side value of this greater than will be considered as bigger than the left side one is smaller, it is going to be written true, otherwise it is going to written false. The similar way, less than or equal to, even if we have the values equal or less than, also it is going to be written true, or otherwise it is going to written false. Greater than or equal to, if both the values are equal or the right side value is bigger when compared to the smaller, sorry, the right side value is smaller when compared to the uh, left side value, then it is going to be considered as, true, otherwise it is going to be give false. Now we are saying that these are all the relational operators which are used to which are used to which are used to write the conditions, because it is going to be give the result in terms of true or false. It is going to give the result in terms of true or false. Next we have logical operators which are used for combining more than one condition. Logical operators are used to combine more than one condition. For that we are using the logical operators. See, what are the logical operators we have here is and or not. And or not are the logical operators we have. See, now whenever we are using this and or not logical operators, what will happen here? If we are using and operator to combine more than one condition, then if both the conditions what we have at left side and as well as right side, if both are true, then the result will be true, otherwise it is going to be written false. If both the conditions what we have written at left side and as well as right side will be considered as true, otherwise it is going to be written false. Or operator, see, if any of the condition, if I am using or operator for combining two conditions, the left side one and right side one, if any one condition is true also, the resultant will be true, otherwise it is going to be written false. Any doubt? Not operator, in a sense, whatever may be the result we are having, selected content it is going to be display for us. Selected content it is sorry, if the actual condition result is true, then it is going to return false. If the actual condition is false, see, actual condition is false, the result of that not of that particular condition will be false. Sorry, if the condition result is true, not of that condition will be false. If the condition result is false, not of that condition will be true. See, we have one table called as dummy table, which will be considered as dual, where it will be having only one row and one column. See, that particular column will be called as, sorry, that particular table is called as dummy table. That particular table is called as dummy table. See, which will be used for evaluating some expressions. Most of the time, dual table we are going to be used with a Oracle database. We are going to be work with the Oracle database. See, select something from which table. We don't know from which table. General function we want to write. In that particular case, we are going to be use the dual table dummy. That is a dummy table where it is having only one row and one column. Where we have only one row and one column. See, whose data type of that particular column is varchar2. So here varchar we are going to be considered. Most of the time we'll use this dummy table in the Oracle database. See, here we are giving, see, square root of 4 I would like to give, square root of 4 I would like to give. So select square root of 4, select square root of 4. What is that square root? So which is used for calculating the square root of given argument, which is used for calculating the square root of given argument. So that is we are getting like this also will get, like this also will get. So but in Oracle, definitely we have to write the query like this only, like this only. So because of that only we are going to be get this. So I'll show you that in Oracle database. This is the Oracle database already have configured. Present we are working with the MySQL database in command line prompt. When you want to work with MySQL, nowadays we have the interface which is called as MySQL workbench. Then still the MySQL workbench is there. Why I have chosen this command line prompt is for typing each and every query and for better explanation. I'm connecting to the practice database which is already created. Where I have said like we have only one row and one column. See, if you observe here, dummy x, dummy x. The column name is dummy, and where we have the row as x, where we have the row as x, right? See, what is the data type of that? We are saying that dummy column data type is varchar2. The varchar2 will be happening for us with the Oracle only, Oracle database only. If it is a MySQL, if it is a MySQL, have varchar2. It will not work here to show what is the data type of this particular column dummy. This will not work. We'll try. got it. Sorry. Describe table. We are getting this varchar 2. So most important, you are just make a note of this. Just make a note of this. That notes which I've written here, I'll share this example in the Oracle database, because we are working with a MySQL database. So select star from dual innocence, we are getting this. Okay. MySQL will be having varchar only. If we are taking this description of the particular dual, one column, that column is varchar 2. A minute. This one is we are getting as per Oracle database. See, we are using the dummy table here as well. If you see, we are not getting the description of the dual table. Most of the time, the dual table will be working with the Oracle database. Okay. Remaining will continue in the next session.